vote to fight.
These will be all the components that requires to build a Sidewinder. As you can see, I have other parts that I printed just to test. Those two are the final ones. Sidewinder is an 8-in-1 multi-tool. It's a carabiner. It's a bottle opener. It has a line cutter, has a flashlight, has a 1/4 inch socket adapter and screwdriver bit adapter. It has a 1/8 inch precision screwdriver bit adapter for your fishing reel and micro things that you might want to do. On the other side, you have a clip with 4 1/8 inch bits. They're Phillips and flats ranging from small to large, and they're magnetized. They clip on and they don't fall. It also comes with this clip, which is a Sidewinder clip. It goes through a spool of fishing line, and I will show you later how it works. So this is the 8-in-1 multi-tool by Sidewinder.
starting with the pen, we have a pen that's made out of 606-1 aluminum. It's bead blasted and anodized in black. We have a whistle that also screws into the tip of the cap. You can start a fire with it. You can break glass with it. I wanted to create something that anyone could use at any time. You could take it to work. You could take it on a bike ride. You could take it to the gym. So then we have the tool. There are a lot of different things that you can do with these products. You'll see that there is a multi-tool that comes installed on the device. You can fix your bike. You can open a paint can. You can open a bottle. Take it with you wherever you want to go.
My name's Addison. This is your iPhone. And this is your iPhone with Task One. Task One is a multi-tool case for your iPhone 4, 4S, or 5. It houses 16 tools in an aircraft aluminum enclosure. Task One was designed to be a serious and functional tool, while at the same time being stylish and protective for your phone. Whether you're an engineer like me, or you're going camping out in the woods, Task One is the tool for you. I designed it to be super robust. I wanted to be able to use it in just about any situation. As an engineer, I really like carrying around multi-tools, but the problem was they're all so bulky that I would never put it in my pocket. The small credit card sized tools are just too flimsy for real use. So I wanted to design something that was robust, but at the same time didn't add much bulk to your phone. Task One is barely bigger than most iPhone cases. In fact, it's much smaller than a lot of iPhone cases out there. Yet it houses 16 hardened steel tools in its slim enclosure. While being really functional, it also protects your iPhone. The tools are housed in an enclosed aircraft aluminum housing, which is attached to your phone via 2 polycarbonate bands. That way, when you use Task One, all of the force of the tools goes into the aluminum enclosure and doesn't damage your phone at all. The reason I use polycarbonate is because I didn't want it to affect your reception on your phone, and at the same time was lightweight and very strong. Task One has 16 tools. Has a 2.5-inch knife with serrations, a 1.8-inch saw blade, 2 flathead screwdrivers, one small, one large, a medium Phillips screwdriver, a bottle opener, pliers, wire cutters, wire strippers, 6 Allen wrenches, and a ruler.